Eid Mubarak, it's finally here. Such a beautiful day to celebrate. May this Eid bring peace and endless blessings to you and your family.
Eid Mubarak to you as well. I hope this Eid brings you joy, success, and good health. It feels so special to be able to celebrate together, doesn't it?
Definitely. Eid is always a time to reflect on the past year and count our blessings. How are you celebrating today?
I'm spending it with my family, of course. It's become a tradition for us to gather early in the morning, perform the Eid prayer together, and then enjoy a big feast. The kids are so excited this year, wearing their new clothes, running around, playing with their gifts. It's always so full of energy and laughter. What about you?
That sounds so wonderful. I'm doing something similar, gathering with family after the prayer and enjoying a meal together. But this year, we're also going to visit some close relatives and neighbors. We like to make sure everyone feels included, even those who may not have family nearby.
That's a beautiful gesture. Eid is about bringing people together, especially those who might feel isolated. It's a reminder that we should always extend our love and support beyond just our immediate circles.
Exactly. It's more than just the celebrations. It's about connecting with people, whether it's family, friends, or even strangers. I think that's what makes Eid truly meaningful, the sense of community and giving.
You're right. It's also about gratitude, expressing thanks for what we have and what we've learned throughout the year. For me, Eid is a time of renewal, both spiritually and emotionally. It reminds me to let go of any grudges and focus on forgiveness.
I completely agree. It's the perfect opportunity to cleanse our hearts, start fresh, and move forward with a positive mindset. I've been trying to make more time for reflection this year, and Eid is the perfect moment to focus on that. Have you made any special Eid resolutions?
I love that idea. For me, my resolution this year is to be more present in the moment. Sometimes life gets so busy, I forget to truly appreciate the small things, the little moments with family, the laughter, the peace of mind. I want to cherish all of that more. What about you?
That's such a beautiful resolution. As for me, I want to continue making an effort to reach out more, to reconnect with people I've lost touch with over the years. Eid is such a good reminder to rebuild those relationships and strengthen the bonds we have. It's not just about the material things, it's about those meaningful connections that really make life special.
Absolutely. It's so important to nurture our relationships. Eid also makes me think about those who may not be as fortunate as we are, though. I always make sure to give my zakat and offer help where I can, whether it's through charity or just offering support to someone in need. Eid should be a reminder for us all to look beyond ourselves.
You're so right. It's easy to get caught up in the celebrations, but the real meaning lies in how we help others. I've been involved in a few charity events this year, and I can honestly say that the satisfaction of giving is far greater than anything we receive.
I can only imagine. It's those small acts of kindness that truly bring joy to others and to ourselves as well. Eid is definitely a time to be generous, not just with our wealth, but with our time and energy. I'm also planning to visit a few elders in the neighborhood today, just to check in on them and share some time with them.
That's such a thoughtful thing to do. They must really appreciate it. The elderly, especially, can sometimes feel lonely during Eid, so any form of company or kindness goes a long way.
I think it's important to always remember them, not just on Eid, but throughout the year. It's such a small gesture, but it can mean so much to them. It's a great way to make them feel valued and loved.
Absolutely. Eid is really about family, compassion, and community. I hope we can all take a moment to appreciate everything around us, the people, the experiences, and the blessings we sometimes take for granted. May Allah accept all our prayers and make this Eid a joyous and fulfilling one for everyone. Eid Mubarak to you and yours as well, wishing you all the happiness and peace in the world.
Ameen. Eid Mubarak once again. I hope you and your family have a day full of love, laughter, and endless blessings.